We welcome you here at the AED Group booth at ISE 2020. My name is Philip van Vlem. I'm the International PR and Communications Manager for AED. And we're really proud and happy to present our brand new, newborn AED Audio. It was presented just at the customer nights in Belgium. And this is really coming back to our roots because already in the early 1980s, our CEO started designing and developing speaker systems. First of all, we have the Flex 6. It's a multi-purpose powered line source speaker. It's the only professional multi-purpose audio product available on the worldwide market. Its versatile deployment, this 1300 RMS powered speaker, can be used in several ways. Users can put the Flex 6 on a pole, they can stack it, create a column array, fly it as a line array up to 16 cabinets, or put two speakers horizontally on a pole in a sub-top combination. Investing in AED Audio's Flex 6 makes it possible to create all these setups by using only one single type of speaker, and all kinds of rental jobs can be supplied by only investing in one system. And then we have the Solid 15 powered low cabinet. This is a compact single 15-inch 1800 low cabinet or subwoofer, which can be used in many scenarios and several configurations. The Solid 15 can be operated standalone, flown and stacked. The front-loaded subwoofer gives extra punch. And last but not least, we have the Solid 28 subwoofer. It's combined with the Solid 15 and in low and the Flex 6. This gives access to a large scale of applications. This double 18-inch bandpass powered subwoofer with a 3000 watt robust amplifier module gives an output of 142 dB max SPL. With a frequency response of 25 Hz to 160 Hz, this subwoofer can go extremely deep and produce extraordinary low frequencies. So if you want to discover all those new products of AED Audio, we'll be happy to welcome you here on our booth in Hall 1, the AED Group booth. Enjoy the rest of your show and hope to see you around very soon. Visit more information, aedaudio.com.